So when the ribosomal complex will be reached to the particular stop codon, ribosomal complex will be reached to the particular stop codon, then chain termination will be takes place. The three stop codons are there, UAA, UGA and UAZ. So for example, the ribosomal complex is moved here, and the first amino acid is formyl methionine and phenylalanine. So let us take from AA3, AA4, amino acid 4 plus amino acid 5 and amino acid 6, amino acid 7 and so on. So this is the tRNA. So let us take this one is nothing but amino acid 8, and this is in P site. And one more thing we have to remember, there is no tRNAs for stop codons. There is no tRNAs for stop codons means there is no anticodons for stop codons. This is empty tRNA A site. Yes, this is A site. And here no tRNAs for stop codons, like we can take either UAA or UAG or UGA. So any of these three stop codons can be involved for the chain termination process. And even here the termination or releasing factors also will be involved. So these are, we can call it as RF simply, releasing factors. Releasing factors are also will be involved, that is RF1, RF2, RF3. So here RF1 recognizes stop codons UAA and UAG. Next RF2 recognizes UAA and UGA. The third factor RF3 stimulates the binding of RF1 and RF2. RF3 combines with the GTP. RF3 combines with GTP and activates RF1 and RF2 and activates RF1 and RF2. So after reaching here, the polypeptide chain is released. So this is what we can call it as polypeptide chain. As soon as polypeptide chain is released, it is not enters into the functional state. Some processing will be required, like whereas in case of prokaryotes, the formyl group is removed from the methionine amino acid, and these ribosomal complex also will be separated through dissociation factors. Ribosomal complex, ribosomes are dissociated. Ribosomes are dissociated in presence of dissociation factors. Simply we can call it as DF. Next, to translational amplification, the formation of number of copies of same polypeptide by an mRNA using polysome is called translational amplification. Generally, translational amplification is the characteristic feature of prokaryotes.